Welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's backend theme, the Arc theme powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand a very important and a very beautiful feature to customize the theme styles into your ERP. Into the Arc theme, we provide you two major theme styles for which we have to go to settings. We have to click on theme styles, and here you can see we have two different theme styles, which is the curved style and the box style. Currently, you can see all the contacts are into the box style. So now I click on curved. I'll apply this theme. Once it loads, you can see all the contacts, all the data would be into the curved shape theme. So you can see that yes, how this theme makes your ERP look a bit different and beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help to you. In case of any further questions or queries, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.